Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record a Loom video directly in Google Slides. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Google Slides and load the presentation you want to record. Once you have your presentation ready and open on your screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see the extensions icon there, which typically looks like a puzzle piece. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of all your installed extensions. From this list, locate and click on Loom. This will activate the Loom extension and prepare it for recording your presentation. After clicking on Loom, a small window will pop up showing you the recording options. Look for the button that says Start Recording and click on it. This is where you'll choose what you want to capture in your video. You'll be presented with a few different options, whether you want to record your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Select the option that works best for your recording needs. For most presentations, choosing the tab option works perfectly since it focuses only on your Google Slides without capturing anything else on your desktop. Now that you've configured your recording settings, it's time to actually present your slides. In your Google Slides window, locate and click on the Slideshow button. This button is usually found in the top right area of the interface, or you can access it from the View menu. Clicking this will launch your presentation in full screen mode, and Loom will begin recording everything you do and say during your presentation. You can now navigate through your slides, explain your content, and deliver your presentation just as you would in a live setting. Once you've finished presenting all your slides and covered everything you wanted to share, you can end your recording. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a finish icon or button. Click on this to stop the recording. Loom will then process your video and automatically save it to your Loom account, where you can review it, edit the title, trim any unwanted sections, or share it with others immediately. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a Loom video of your Google Slides presentation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.